Hello my friends, my name is Evelyn Joy and welcome back to my channel and my indoor garden, my indoor seedling growing center. Today I'm going to show you some of the cool things that I got for growing seedlings inside. First of all, I got this grow light. It hooks on here, it has a timer, it's 20 bucks, it's awesome. So these are my tomato seedlings. They're getting taller. They started off over here. I moved them into here, and I'm going to have to move them into solo cups. So today I'm going to drill holes in them. Over here, I have my seedling tray. These seedlings were not germinating at all because the soil was not warm enough. So I got a heat mat for them. Here I have some peas, and here I have two more tomato seedlings. I have this dome. I'm actually going to remove this to put the solo cups in here so that they'll have a tray to drain into. Here I am growing some beans and some green beans. This is a basil, and this is my beautiful Dracena, whatever it's called. It just looks like a palm tree to me. But yeah, so, and that's my aloe vera over there. So this is my new setup. If you back up, it's a little bit messier than you think, but there's my bunny with his bunny stuff. All right, so yeah, and I got this little sign at Dollar Tree. Got some tools over here where my kids can't reach to them. But yeah, I'm gonna drill holes in these. Now I have fun colored solo cups that I can grow seedlings in, and they have drainage holes. Thank you for watching my update of my indoor seedling starting area. Have a great day. Bye.